Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to view all orders on Temu, and now let's dive right in. Now to view all orders on Temu, first open up your Temu app on your phone, and after opening your Temu app guys, on this interface at the bottom of the screen you can see a bunch of options, and at the middle section you can see the U button available for us. Tap on the U button at the bottom middle section of the screen, and over here you can see your orders option available for us, which is the second one just below the messages. Tap on your orders, and over here guys you can see at the top of the screen we are currently on the all orders panel of the Temu. You can view your processing, ship, deliver, returned orders over here. But with that being said guys, at the left side of this interface you can see the all orders. If you tap on over here and land on this interface, all of our orders which you had ordered on the Temu account recently will be over here. And with that being said guys, this is how you will be able to view all orders on Temu. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.